Right, here we are, another new studio. Hiro-san,
Hi, good afternoon, everyone.
good afternoon to you. Back in the kitchen, right?
Back in the kitchen since 2018,
In 2018, it's been 8 years.
8 years.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, anyway,
So,
this place is set up for ramen. Hiro makes a ramen soup by scratch. You guys will see more ramen dishes. And this is your friend.
yeah, he's from,
Masa-san.
my friend.
From where?
Actually, from my hometown.
From Kochi.
Yeah, same prefecture. Kochi
Oh, same prefecture.
yeah.
Okay. How do you like Kochi? Do you like it there?
Yeah.
You like it? I love Kochi. How about United States? You like United States or you like Kochi? Different.
コーチとアメリカですけど、どちらがいいですか?
比べられないな。
It's very hard to compare.
Hard to compare, yeah.
Something, probably here like to say something, of course, Japan is good,
Yeah.
but sometimes something the United States is good too.
Okay.
So he pretty much doing the other venture right now.
Okay. Very, very nice.
Yeah. So
Well, we're doing a very, very easy dish for all the vegan lovers out there. And even if you're not a vegan lover, I'm definitely not vegan. But when Hiro made this dish, I'm like, wow, this is some dish you need to share. It's very, very simple, right? Very, very simple. So you don't think it's very challenging at all. Let's talk about this. Of course, the soft tofu. This is the green line, right?
green line,
Yeah, the soft one.
a soft one, yes.
They have firm, which is not the one you want for this dish. Guys, go to your grocery store. You can find it. This is the one that's got the green label on it. Soft tofu, cut up in smaller pieces.
Yeah.
Oh, Hiro-san, and what is the next
yeah,
step?
I'm gonna do with the cornstarch. First, I'm gonna do the fried tofu, same as like agedashi tofu.
Okay,
Then after fried tofu, then after I'm gonna add it a little spicy chili oil.
chili oil, homemade. We're gonna do another video on this. Okay, very good, Hiro.
Okay, so let's start.
Okay.
じゃあもうパッとやっちゃいますわ。Okay,
Okay, you basically take the tofu,
into the cornstarch.
cornstarch. Cornstarch makes it very, very crunchy on the outside. Okay. Yeah, just wait till it's crunchy on the outside, right?
Yeah.
That's it. All right, here we go. This is what the kitchen looks like. It's been a while since Hiro's been in the kitchen. It's great to be able to film in a commercial kitchen now. All right, after several minutes, outside's got to be crunchy. All right, very good. You guys got to try this at home. Very, very simple to do. So simple. And this is a secret sauce, secret hot sauce. Definitely let some of that tofu absorb that chili oil. Basically, it's just 3 ingredients. Well, maybe 4 if you count the cornstarch. And these things you can pick up anywhere. So simple. Kaisan,
Hey.
another ticket.
Yep.
Welcome back.
Getting a little busy.
Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you.